This week, South Carolina drivers with suspended licenses now have a shot at getting back on the road. It's all part of the state's driver's eligibility suspension program, giving drivers a second chance. But applying for it and getting reinstated, well, it's not as easy as you would think.
They have to meet all the fee requirements, pay all the fees. They have to have their SR22 insurance filed. But if they meet all those criteria, we can help them walk their way through the suspension removal process.
The driver suspension removal process only applies to drivers with certain driving suspensions, underage drivers with excessive points, drivers operating an unlicensed taxi, folks driving without insurance, and those suspended for driving with a suspended license. DMV Director Kevin Schwedo says in the past 2 years, nearly 400 South Carolina drivers have taken advantage of this program.
It was a legislative initiative to get individuals primarily back to work.
If you are looking to lift or shorten your driving suspension so you can get back on the road, Schwedo recommends getting it done now.
Start the process early. Start it today, start it tomorrow. Because when we close Friday at 5, the program is over.
Drivers have until Friday to apply for the driver suspension eligibility program. Visit your local DMV. In Blythewood, Cheyenne Malone, Watch Fox News.